how you can turn yourself into the Hulk using AI. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your web browser so you can go to the Pixverse website. So you open Google and type Pixverse AI and click on the first link. Now you are on Pixverse. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you're ready to go. Scroll down until you find a section that says Effect. Now click on that, and you will see many cool effects. Now find the one called Hulk. Once you see Hulk, click it to choose it. After that, click the upload icon and pick a photo from your device. Make sure it is a clear image of yourself so it looks good. After you upload your photo, now click the Create button. Then wait a few seconds while Pixverse turns your photo into a Hulk video. Now you can watch your new Hulk video. It looks fun and kinda real. Now when you are ready, just click the download button at the bottom. Then check your downloads folder. And that's it. That's how you can turn yourself into the Hulk using AI with Pixverse.